Today we are looking at a Farm King Model 60 hammer mill. This unit is brand new, fresh off the factory floor. We have stocked this unit for resale. This unit is powered by a 7.5 horsepower single phase 220 volt electric motor. This unit has a large flared hopper for ease of use. The unit is bottom discharge. This unit can be ordered with several different screens. This customer that ordered this unit chose a medium sized screen. I believe it is 5/16. You can pause the video here for pertinent data on the motor tag. And here you can pause the video for pertinent data on the serial number of this unit. This particular unit is sold, but this unit was assembled and tested by us here at CTI. You can see here that this unit has reversible knives. These can be flipped a total of 4 times. These are heavy-duty, 1/4-inch thick knives. And we have the unit open here. You can see that the unit is bottom discharge here. The screens simply install with the locking tabs at the 12 o'clock position here. You can see that this unit is also equipped with a slide gate for varying the flow of product. This unit was special order. The customer requested a single phase 220 volt motor, 25 foot of SO cable, so he can just plug it directly into his wall outlet. And this unit was also ordered fully assembled and test ran. This machine comes with the operator's manual and parts manual. This machine is rated at 75 bushel per hour. Here you can see we have the unit running for you. Unit starts strong, runs strong. Just a very nice hammer mill. Unit has the safety shield installed for the belts. As I said, this machine can be ordered with several different size screens. Unit has C1045 steel hammers in it for long life. Those are a high wear hammer. Unit is in excellent condition. Unit is brand new. This unit is readily available through us here at CTI. For all other seed, feed, grain, recycling, and research equipment, both large and small, please reach out to us. We have the world's largest inventory. Thank you for watching.